Aw yeah, we are back at it again. Instead of working on a house today, we're going in for some advanced training by the NTCA, the National Tile Contractors Association. They're responsible for all the tile application standards that we followed as tile setters, allowing us to have the correct information and skills so that we can meet our clients' job needs. Oh, and yes, I am a member. Certification class was on large format tile application and installation, held at Floor & Decor in Santa Ana. So for all those clients that want less grout lines and larger tile coverage, I was taking your class to provide you with just that. The first half of the training was filled with a classroom session, and then we worked on installing 2 wall panels where we were tested on our coverage, keying, gauging our MAPE thixotropic mortar, and air evacuation techniques to ensure maximum bond. A huge material makes me happy. I love this stuff. The second half of the training, we were tested on installing 2 floor tiles with MAPE's Ultra Bond Eco GPT. Schluter came and slipped in a clean edge for us, as well as gave us a few products to expect for the coming year. Thanks, Schluter. You really put the finishing touches in place. Then we cut, scored, and snapped some of these big monsters of porcelain. LFT is truly a team job. We see Jose has that scored down with perfect pressure. Nice work, my friend.
Well, with further ado, we thought you did an extreme.
Thank you. I guess 2 of us did an over-the-top job. Good job, Ricardo. That was a good class. Worked out really well. I'd like to thank Floor & Decor, MAPE, Schluter, and the NTCA. Ruby, this video's about over, so you're gonna have to catch me on the next one. Thanks, guys.